thank everybody for coming out on, seems like the typical weather for when we have announcements for this program, but coming out for our 2018 Learning Skills to Lift Neighborhoods announcement. This is a program that we have been jointly running since 2016 with Councilmember Jaiza Page. This is a program that really was honestly her brainchild, and it has been a great opportunity for us to not only put underutilized properties in our city back to work and make them be great houses again within our community, but it's also an opportunity to lift neighborhoods and add skills into our workforce. So we're always looking for ways to use our land bank properties. This is a great opportunity. I'm not going to say much. I'm really going to turn the microphone over to my good friend, great colleague, great partner, Councilwoman Jaiza Page.
Thank you so much, Director, and I just thank you for your continued support and partnership. We have been working together for the past 2 years, and it's been an amazing experience, and I just truly appreciate the work of your department and all that you do to make sure Columbus is a great place to live. Again, my name is Jaiza Page, and I am the chair of the Housing Committee for Columbus City Council. And I'd like to first thank all of my colleagues who really support this program and support rehabbing and revitalizing not only homes in our community, but lives. As a chair of the Housing Committee, one of my top priorities is to continue raising the quality of life in our city by reducing the number of blighted properties and working to help revitalize neighborhoods. Those are just people cheering or something going on. 2 years ago, applications were accepted in the fall of 2016, and there were a total of 7 organizations which applied. Out of the 7 applicants, 3 organizations were awarded in 2017. This year, we had a total of 6 organizations to apply, and 5 will be awarded. I would now like to announce those grantees, and if you are here to represent the organization, please feel free to wave your hand. Franklinton Rising. Thank you. Congratulations. The Driven Foundation. Impact Community Action. And we are standing outside of the home that Impact Community Action will rehabilitate. Youth Build, if anyone here is present, awesome. And then Refuge Incorporated, out there. Again, congratulations to all of you, and thank you for applying. And most of all, thank you for caring about our community, and thank you for caring about the individuals whose lives you will impact with this grant program. The City of Columbus is investing a total of $120,000, and this investment is just one of the many examples of how city partners with organizations and residents to revitalize neighborhoods such as Franklinton, Linden, the Near East Side, and the South Side. I would like to again give special thanks to the Department of Development and the Land Bank, which were both very essential and important in this program. Now, I would like to turn it over to Robert Bo-Chilton, CEO of Impact Community Action.
Thank you so much, Councilmember Page. Thank you for your vision. Thank you for your partnership and your passion. I also want to thank our partners with the City of Columbus. Director Shoney, you and your team have really led in trying to fight against the affordability crisis that we have in our community. We're being proactive in taking the steps necessary to begin to address the problem. Our mission at Impact Community Action is to reduce poverty by providing hope-inspiring help and real opportunities for self-sufficiency. We do that through a number of programs meant to stabilize families in crisis through emergency rental assistance, utility assistance, and the like. And then we empower our customers to become self-sufficient through workforce development, financial literacy, energy efficiency programming, and now affordable housing. With this grant, lifting learning skills and lifting neighborhoods, we'll be able to use those dollars to put in quality materials, layer in our energy efficiency programming and the partnerships that we have with AEP and Columbia Gas and the Warm Choice program, so that we can have an energy efficient program and create more affordable housing in our community. But better than that, we're teaching people the skills that they need in the trades so that they can earn a living wage and get on-the-job training experience by rehabbing and remodeling these properties. I want to thank also our partners with the National Skilled Trades, who are going to be working with our young people, teaching them the skills necessary so that they can become self-sufficient. Thank you for your partnership. I also want to thank the person who truly deserves the credit for this program, the manager of our VTAC program, Leland Bass. Thank you, Leland, for your leadership. I'm really excited about this program. I'm excited to see all of the partners here who have been awarded these grants, and I look forward to working with all of you because we know that together we can create the synergy necessary to truly move the needle on affordable housing and teach people the skills that they will need to become self-sufficient. With that, I'd like to introduce a young man that I know has great vision, passion, purpose, and is driven to success. Please welcome to the mic the co-founder and vice president of the Driven Foundation, Antonio Smith.
Thank you, sir, and good afternoon to everyone. Obviously, thanks again to Councilwoman Page and everyone involved in this process and in the city that's coming together, man. We're growing. It's an exciting time, and it's an exciting time to not only, again, as we mentioned, restore properties, but restore lives. Driven Foundation is a nonprofit organization. Myself and a former teammate of mine, we started 9 years ago. We're going on year 10, and we have some amazing things on the horizon. Our mission is promoting perseverance and building hope through a relentless commitment of serving others. So we have a number of programs in this community and Linden community and statewide, mentorship, food outreach, and we've been very instrumental in the correction space over the last year and a half, 2 years. And this comes off the heels, or is coming off the heels of a great program and a digital platform that we're putting together to continue to engage and connect and inspire these restored citizens and justice-involved individuals. And receiving this grant will allow us to rehab a property and continue putting forth the tangible resources in place, jobs, housing, treatment, financial assistance, and all those things that these folks absolutely need when they get out. Right, they need these resources so they can continue to stay out and stay clean. And so we're excited about this opportunity, and we know it's going to continue to grow and be a great program for us in the future. So thank you again for everyone who's here, everyone who applied, everyone who's doing these great works. I look forward to collaborating with all of you in the future to continue the great works that we're doing and working together to make it happen. So again, thank you, and I will turn it back over to Councilwoman Page. Thanks so much.
Again, you can feel the excitement here. We have wonderful organizations that are committed to our community. And about 2 weeks ago, I was listening to someone who said that we can't afford to spare anybody. We can't afford to spare one life, one young person, one individual who has returned back into our society. We can't afford to spare one neighborhood. And so I'm looking forward, again, to each organization that will be working throughout the city of Columbus to restore communities and to restore lives. And I'm proud to continue to sponsor the Learning Skills to Lift Neighborhoods program with my colleagues on Columbus City Council. I thank you all for joining us in the rain. I thank the chickens, too, who are also overly excited about our program today and a new house beside them that will be rehabilitated. I believe that you can probably tour the house and you'll be able to see how it looks now and then have the vision for how it will look later. Again, thanks and congratulations to all of the award winners.